Invest in Clean Air Now HAIBA team gi MAKHADA International Day of Clean Air for Blue Sky gi Thouram ngasi SINGJAMEI top LEIKAI gi Community Hall da Pangthokkhre. Thouram adu District Health Mission Society Imphal West District amasung National Program for Climate Change and Human Health na Social Upliftment Organization SINGJAMEI top LEIKAI amade Urban Primary Health Center UPIC SINGJAMEI ga khunsamnaraga pangthokpane. Thouramgi sarukama oina free medical camp amaso pangthokhibaga loinana mathau taba hidak langthak kaya so lemna phangankhe. Thouram aduda Imphal West District ki Chief Medical Officer Dr. L. Joy Kumar, Social Upliftment Organization ki President Haubum Gozen, Imphal Municipal Corporation ki Mayor L. Lokeshwar, District Health Mission Society Imphal West ki District Nodal Officer Dr. Sanai Bemba Sapam amade UPIC SINGJAMEI ki Medical Officer in Charge Dr. N. Harabana, President Member Sing Oina Sarukya K. Thouram aduga mari lainana Dr. Sanai Bema Sapam na hai ngasi pangthokliba thouram asi miyam da clean air ga mari lainana awareness pibnabane. Awareness pibagi maru oiba pandam de mipum khodimak na clean air promote tawnaba honabada karigumba thodang khara lawdaba yade haibado khanganbane. Clean air promote tawbana pollution hantahangane. Amaromda program asigi atopa pandam amana aikoigi environment amasung ecosystem ngak senbagi tangai fadaba do miyamda awareness pibane. Environment amasung ecosystem ngak selabade climate change namyoibagi haksel da pirakpa tongan ba chaithel dagi chaitheng dagi ngak thokpa ngamgani haina Dr. Sanai Bema Sapam na makhata na phongdokhi.
District Mission Health Society na akogi social upliftment organization HAIBA SINGJAMEI top LEIKAI gi club aduga SINGJAMEI UHC ga ko akoi khushamnaraga numit ase palan tawminabani ko aduga HAIBA program asi akoina tawjariba se maru oina public te awareness piba ko kari damote awareness pidib no hairagadi akoina habide moi gi each and every individual sing dagi moi na action khara ulaknabagi damakta ko karamba matangi action da hairagadi akogi clean air bu promote tawraga akogi pollution sibu hanna bagi damakta ko aduga masi kari gi damakta khoina tawbada darkar oirakpano hairagadi kainose akogi ba kainose kahani ngasai akogi environment and ecosystem sibu protect tawna bagi damakta aduga masi protect tawragadi akogi ngasai climate change sina maram oidana thogla iba akogi human health sidai da impact mayam ma piri basa masi bu protect tawna bagi damakta ne ko